This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing a reliable VPN that offers the countries or cities you need. Prioritize speed and a strict no-logs policy. Once you have an account, install the official app on your device and sign in. Make sure to enable the kill switch and pick a protocol like WireGuard for fast connections or OpenVPN for compatibility. These steps set up privacy and stability. Now move on to selecting a specific server and testing connectivity to ensure the basics are solid. You now pick a server in the target country or a specific city if the app offers it. Choosing a nearby node in that country reduces latency. Once connected, run an IP and location check to confirm your visible location, then perform a speed test to verify acceptable performance. If sites block, VPN IPs or speeds are poor, switch protocols, try alternative servers, or enable obfuscated/stealth mode. These actions help you troubleshoot connectivity and maintain the location change reliably. You finish by clearing browser cache and restarting any apps or streaming services so they recognize the new IP and location. This often resolves mismatched region content. Make server favorites or pins to speed future reconnections, and consider scheduling reconnects if you need a persistent location. If a site still detects your real location, toggle protocol, try a different server, or reinstall the app. When all else fails, contact VPN support for logs-free diagnostics. This single troubleshooting tip usually fixes persistent geo-blocking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.